insight, first step. But whatsoever there is of feeling, perception, mental formation, our consciousness, all these phenomena he regards as impermanent, subject to pain as infirm, as an ulcer, a thorn, a misery, a burden, an enemy, a disturbance, as empty and void of an ego, and turning away from these things, he directs his mind towards the abiding. Thus, this verily is the peace. This is the highest, namely, the end of all formations, and forsaking every substratum of rebirth, the fading away of craving, detachment, extinction, nirvana, and in this state he reaches the cessation of passions. And you've heard me talk about insight roles, right? Well, I don't mean that, you know, you're just trying to be like this or that or the other. You're, you know, it's how to operate those modes. In Buddhism, it's none of these modes or roles in line for you. So